Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Rats Ordinal Coin. It's pretty easy to get this done. Open up your browser, and with your browser opened up, simply head over to coinmarketcap.com. Simply scroll down from coinmarketcap.com and get the exchanges that are hosting the Rats Ordinal. And here we can have a look at the exchanges and their pairs, and you can have a look at the volume being traded as well as the volume. So guys, once you've had a look at this, we're going to be working with KuCoin for this video. So simply minimize, open up your KuCoin app, and with the KuCoin opened up, make sure you have an account. And once your KuCoin is opened up, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. You register and verify your account. So guys, on KuCoin, how can you get yourself some Rats Ordinal with a verified account? Click on the deposit icon at the top left. Once you've selected the deposit icon, simply search for USDT, Solana, Tron, Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB. Any cryptocurrency you hold outside of KuCoin that is listed here can be deposited and then converted into the USDT, so you can get yourself some Rats Ordinal. Now, once you've gotten crypto, you could as well as deposit fiat. Depending on your region, you could deposit Euro, GBP, US dollar, or the Russian ruble. Depending on where you're from, just select the payment method which matches your region, add your credit or debit card, and deposit some fiat currency. Now, your next step to getting some of the tokens is head to the assets menu, scroll from the overview to the spot, so you can have a look at how much crypto you hold. And once you've taken note of that, simply head to the home section, scroll to the convert icon, and in the place of Solana, click on the Solana and select some Matic. That's the currency, that's the token I'm using. I'm going to be using one Matic. And in place of USDT, simply search for Rats. That's the Rats Ordinal. Click on the Rats Ordinal token. Click on Confirm. Click on Confirm once more. And I'll be getting 2,669 Rats. Now head back home to the Assets menu. Reload. Scroll to the Trading. Reload once more. And you'd find the Rats Ordinal there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.